On top Inside Edo today, I go fire you if you fail to achieve set goals. Obaseki won local government education secretaries. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki won the local government education secretaries wey failed to perform their duty of tracking people's progress for the locality. Obaseki gave this warning for Benin during the close of training for education secretaries and managers when the State Universal Basic Education Board, SUPEB, organized. He say he dey proud of the achievement wey SUPEB don get for state level and he go also like them to replicate am for local government level.
So we've done what we can, and I'm so proud of what we've done at the state level. SUPEB has been more than impressive. Now we need to go to the next level, the local governments. And that's why we've gone through the very diligent process of hiring you. But let me tell you, I will fire you if you do not achieve.
Before now, the chairman of SUPEB for Edo, Dr. Joanne Oviawe, can't thank the governor for his immense support to basic education.
Your Excellency, on behalf of the board of the State Universal Basic Education Board and my colleagues on the board, I want to express our profound thanks to you.
This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top Inside Edo today as I go fire you if you fail to achieve set goals. Obaseki won local government secretaries. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.